So the first MCQ set of teaching aptitude is, what will you do to develop the quality of discipline among the students? Allow them to take responsibilities, get rules of conduct, get the rules obeyed, banish them. What you should do? You can give your answers in the chat box also. I mean, you give your answers, okay? Okay, very simple question. Yes, correct. Yes, all maximum of you are giving correct answer. Yes, the answer is definitely A. Allow them to take responsibilities. For good learning, it is a must for the school to have what? Vast open areas, a good library, big playground, good students' room. Okay, Shalu, Aditya, Priyanka. Okay. There is a mixed option between A, B, D. No one is giving C. C, big playground, don't you think? It's really important. Yes.
I think all of the above.
All of the above option I have not given. Problem is that I didn't give. Okay. Yes, definitely, and the most important is a good library. Those of you who had given options A and D, please. Okay. Vast open area is not required. Good students' room is not required. Classroom is enough. But if they have a good library, this will automatically support this point, right? Clear? See, what would you do to inculcate the feeling of cooperation in students? What, as a teacher, you can do? Give them good reading material on cooperation, show pictures and movies on cooperation, organize a class on cooperation, put them to group work. Very simple. Okay, Namit, I cannot read the name so fast. Good. Very few people are responding among 80 people. So all of you, please try to respond. Yes, the answer is D. Put them to group work. Question number 4. Based on which of the following types can you evaluate the students? Short answer type, objective type, essay type, all of the above, and none of the above. Okay. All are giving D, D, D. Okay. Yes, all of the above. We can go for all the type of questions. NLM stands for, this is a net question. UGC net question, direct question. NLM stands for, okay, 5 National Liberty Mission, National Literacy Mission, National Labour Mission, none of the above. Yes, the answer is National Literacy Mission. Yeah, 2 participants raised the hand. Let me check. Pushpalatta and Anamika. Any doubt?
No, ma'am, that's by mistake.
Okay, okay, no problem. So, let me show you the 6th question. Quality of dash in a teacher helps in overall growth of a student. What is the quality that should be there in a teacher? Being a strict disciplinarian, being a sports person, being a merciful mother, being a psychologist. Okay. Shalu, first correct. Rest all wrong till now. All are wrong. Only Shalu has given correct answer. Chandar has given correct answer. Rest everyone is wrong. Chandar, you can, being a great, who has given? Harun, Puneet, Satyam, Adarsh. Do you think actually being a disciplinarian will help the growth of the student? No. Vaishali correct. 57C, I don't know what's your name. That is correct. Manisha correct. Obviously, you need to be a merciful mother. You need to be patient, right? We have studied. C. Umarani, Dr. C. Umarani. Ma'am, it's not psychologist. It is being a merciful mother. What are the characteristics of a mother? Dedicated, consistent, patience. So that we need to have, not a psychologist. Okay?
Okay.
So the answer is C. Next, which of the following can be developed to solve aimlessness in education? Straightforward aims, centralized education, democratic citizenship, and reform the administration. Okay. Good. Till now, Dilpreet and Tanvir, Shiv, Namit. Please check your answers. Bhavna, check your answer. Ashish and Joydev, check your answer. It's centralized education. The government UGC has implemented CBCS because of this only. CBCS for centralized education. Okay. Next. If you see that some people are beating your colleague with whom, okay, what happened to my pointer? Just a minute. If you see some people are beating your colleague with whom you do not share a good relation, what would you do? Make the antisocial people run away with the help of others? Will observe from a distance? Attempt to stop the fight? Move without paying attention? सही में आप क्या करोगे? Really you will A or C? Chandar, Ashish, okay. Obviously, you cannot seek help because they're already beating your colleague. You will try to stop the fight. Okay. The answer should be A. How many of you will actually do this? Or will go for B or D option? Seriously, this is a question, okay? Next, question number 9. How would you get your demands materialized as representative of teachers group? Very important responsibility that is given. You are a representative of the teachers group. Meet seniors and try to work out solutions. Non-cooperation movement, go on, announce leave, strike. Okay. Yes, correct. Till now, no wrong answers. Yeah, maximum of you are giving, not maximum, 25% of you are giving correct answers. The answer is meet seniors and try to work out different solutions. Good. You are authorized to grade the students in the practicals. You will encourage them to come to you for private learning. Grade the students only on the basis of their performance without being partial. Grade the students on the basis of the behavior with support staff. None of the above. Okay. Good. Banda. Okay, I got it wrong. I saw someone who had given a wrong answer. Let me find out. Maniraj. Banda Maniraj. Your option is C.
Yes, ma'am.
You cannot do it. See, this is not a quality of a good teacher. We cannot grade the students on the basis of the behavior with support staff. We need to be impartial. Okay. So that is why the answer is B. Clear? The last two questions. Which of the following comprise teaching skill? Blackboard writing, questioning, explaining, all of the above. I would rather ask Sheila. Sheila, I'm not getting any answer from you. Sheila, please try to answer me. Yeah?
All of the above, ma'am.
Okay. Sheila, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. All of the above.
Okay,
Because
my
I'm
God.
having
Good.
some problem with my internet. That's the reason.
Okay, I am not getting any response. I'm checking
Okay.
persons who are not
Okay,
saying. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Good. All of the above. Good. The last question. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? Teachers can teach. Teachers help can create in a student a desire to learn. Lecture method can be used for developing thinking. Teachers are born. Yeah, I got answer which is deviating from the correct answer. Let me check who's he or she. Not getting the person. I'm not able to detect. Okay, someone had given C. Okay, the answer is not correct. Yunus Ahmed, Tushar, you have given C. Priyanka D. Priyanka also you have given C. The answer is B. What We need to create a desire to learn among the students. That is what teachers are going to do. Okay, that is the basic work of teachers. Okay, any questions? Any questions? So these are the answer keys.
No, ma'am, it's all clear.
Thank you.